Do you need a new tool? Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, Amazon has a wide selection of tools to choose from. Here, we take a look at the top 10 tools that you can actually buy on Amazon. These tools are perfect for a variety of tasks, from home improvement to DIY projects. Now, let's get started. Tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers? Use the Fantic Mini Electric Screwdriver instead. With precise torque options ranging from delicate 0.05 Newton meters to powerful 3 Newton meters, it handles tablet computers, watches, cameras, and more with ease. The 50-in-1 set of S2 hardened steel bits equips you for any repair challenge, ensuring longevity and safety. This remarkable tool is neatly organized in a magnetic case, creating a satisfying pop-up experience. With a powerful rechargeable battery and a maximum speed of 200 RPM, hard work becomes effortless. Looking to channel your inner superhero while tackling those repair projects? Introducing the Thor Hammer Toolset, a must-have addition for any Marvel fan or handyman. This unique toolbox includes everything you need, from a hammer and screwdriver to pliers and a measuring tape. The cracked hammer design not only looks impressive, but also provides a sturdy grip with its ergonomically designed handle. Compact and easy to store, this toolbox ensures your tools stay organized and protected. Meet the wear-on universal socket, a remarkable tool that fits any shape or size from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, 7mm to 19mm. With 54 durable metal pins, it self-adjusts to grip hex nuts, bolt heads, and more. Made of strong alloy steel, it's polished, chrome-plated, and built to last. This versatile socket is a perfect gift for men, offering a practical solution for any handyman. Whether it's Christmas, Father's Day, or any occasion, this universal socket is sure to impress. Say goodbye to tools hassle with the Grenache Tool Wristband. This magnetic arm band is a game changer, holding screws, nails, drill bits, and more with its 15 upgraded stronger magnets. No more fumbling or losing small items during your DIY projects or carpentry work. Plus, it comes with 2 convenient pockets for non-metallic items. Made of durable 1680D ballistic polyester, the adjustable wrist belt fits most and ensures comfort. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and technology with the wireless LED Bluetooth beanie. This sleek black beanie, made of premium fabric, features integrated high-performance stereo speakers that deliver impressive sound quality. With its rechargeable battery, it offers over 10 hours of continuous music playback, outlasting similar products on the market. The beanie's high-quality Bluetooth chip ensures quick pairing with your favorite devices, while its comfortable and washable design makes maintenance a breeze. Gloves have evolved beyond mere hand coverings. Imagine never needing a bulky headlamp or relying on others to hold an LED lamp. With rechargeable LED gloves, you can light up your surroundings with a simple press, liberating your hands for any task. These waterproof gloves are ideal for outdoor work, making them indispensable for handy persons, electricians, and more. With a lithium-ion polymer battery, they provide 12 hours of illumination after just 1 hour of charging. Magnetic lights are the versatile solution to your illumination needs. Crafted with durable materials like rubber and aluminum, these lightweight and portable LED work lights are built to last. With a foldable design and a rechargeable battery, they offer convenience and flexibility. The magnetic base allows for hands-free operation, while the 360-degree rotation ensures multi-angle illumination. Whether you're camping, repairing your car, or enjoying a barbecue, these magnetic lights are the perfect companion. With its 2.4-inch HD IPS screen and adjustable LED lights, the Borescope unveils a world unseen. Its 8mm micro camera captures high-definition pictures with a 170-degree viewing angle, leaving no detail unnoticed. The 11.5-foot semi-flexible cable lets you navigate narrow spaces effortlessly. Waterproof and designed for industrial use, it triumphs over rainy days and wet environments. No Wi-Fi, mobile phones, or apps required. This versatile tool is perfect for mechanical inspections, auto repairs, plumbing adventures, and so much more. Looking to unleash your artistic potential? The AOUTK Wood Burner tool is the solution you've been seeking. With its ergonomic design and lightweight non-slip handle, fatigue becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to create for hours on end. This 110-volt, 30-watt wood-burning tool heats up in just 90 seconds, making it quick and efficient. The set comes complete with a variety of wood carving tips, molds, color pencils, and more, providing endless possibilities for artistic expression. This versatile rotary toolkit comes equipped with a 2.0 universal chuck, allowing you to switch accessories quickly and effortlessly. With 165 accessories at your disposal, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Need extra reach and control? The Flex Shaft has got you covered. From polishing and engraving to grinding and drilling, this 180-watt tool offers 6 variable speeds, adapting to different materials and tasks.